Hello WRCC fans, and look at this beauty that we've got for you today. And guess what? I don't know if you've noticed, but it's not a Morris Minor, so it's something a bit different at WRCC, Yorkshire Minor Centre. Today it is the best of the best, other than Morris Minors obviously. Best colour, best finish, British Racing Green, 1960 Mk2 Jaguar 2.2 straight 6. As you can see, in absolutely jaw-dropping condition. It drives absolutely fantastically. I have been cruising around Halifax in it this afternoon, and it made me feel about 10 feet tall, if I'm completely honest with you. So if you have a look, it's got beautiful shine to the paint. Obviously, we never ever describe anything as perfect. No ripples, no nastiness. Beautiful thing. It's got near new chromes wire wheels on it, as you can see. Get close up on all are in the same condition, so really good condition there. All the chrome on is really nice, as you can see. Go to that wheel there. So 1960. There's the best bit. So 1960 car, taken trading against the Morris Minor that we built. We've done a fair bit on it to get it back up to this condition that it's in. Full bare metal restoration about 10 years ago. Still in absolutely stunning condition, as you can see. Jaw dropping, as I've just described her as. One of the other best bits about it, it's got just under 50,000 miles on it, genuine. So it comes with all the MOT certificates. So I think it's 49,000. In fact, we'll have a look. I think it's 49,800, but we'll have a gander and see. 49,385, so selling it short. So 49,385 miles. If you have a look at the dash and the cappings, all in excellent order. Steering wheels leather bound. Overdrive, 49,000 mile, we'll call it. You've got your handbook there. Voila. Headlining's all in really good order. Black interior, as you can see. I know I'm stating the obvious, but just in case. Again, no rips or tears or anything on the interior. Headliner's all in superb order. As I said, all the cappings in really nice order. The paintwork's excellent, you can see. The chrome work's excellent. There you go. Back seat's absolutely superb. Back card, everything all in good order. 7 previous keepers on the logbook. Runs and drives an absolute dream. As I say, I've been running about in her. So, just start her up for you. So obviously it's push button start. And we'll go around the back to listen to her in a bit, but I'll give a quick rev. Just for absolutely ace, fantastic. It sounds great, it looks great, it drives great, everything about it is great. Just if you can have a look. A few other little bits and pieces. So it's got an adjustable wheel on it. Arm works. Adjustable wheel moves backwards and forwards. Handbrake's down in that position there, which makes it a little bit different from a moggy or a modern car having it in the middle. As I said, paint's all good. Straight 6 2.4 engine. Which sounds great, and it pulls really well, revs well, fantastic to drive. It's got disc brakes all round, which helps it stop. Nice stopping power. Let's go back round her again. So I don't know what else I can tell you about it really. Just an absolute superb example of an absolutely superb car. Looks great to drive. If you're after a Mk2 Jag, in the best colour, with the wire wheels, with the overdrive, manual, so you can go out and play great train robbers, then this is definitely the car for you. If you want to give us a call, it's Halifax, so that's 01422 881221. Speak to Dan in sales, option 1 sales, that's me. Email inquiries at westridingclassics.co.uk, or you can bob in and see us at Unit 1, Lockhill Mills, Sowerby Bridge, Halifax, HX6 3LD. It's on at 26995. Come and make us an offer. If you've got a classic car to trade in, especially a Morris Minor, we'd be interested. Classic motorbike, because we do a little bit with motorbikes as well, so we take a motorbike trading. It's definitely one to come and see is this one. So get yourself in your car or on the train, get yourself to Sowerby Bridge, to WRCC headquarters, and come and see us. Be quick, because I don't think this one will be around for long, being springtime, and it is an absolute beauty. Thanks guys.